Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Ghost Walla Samosa full guide. Start by mixing all-purpose flour, salt, oil, and water. Knead into a smooth, springy dough and rest for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, heat oil, sauté cumin, ginger, and green chili, add mashed potatoes, peas, garam masala, and adjust salt. Cool the filling, roll dough into cones, fill, seal edges with flour paste, and fry until golden and crisp for serving. In this video, I will show how to make Ghost Walla Samosa full guide. Combine 2 cups flour, 3 tablespoons oil, and 1 teaspoon salt. Add water gradually until firm. Knead for 6 to 8 minutes until smooth, then cover and rest for 20 minutes. Divide dough into equal balls, roll thin oval shapes, and trim to make cones. Use the flour water paste to seal each samosa confidently before frying. In this video, I will show how to make Ghost Walla Samosa full guide. Quick recommendation. If you like the vibe here, consider the book seen on screen that can change how you think about money. It pairs surprisingly well with kitchen hustle. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides, and check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make Ghost Walla Samosa full guide. Boil and mash 4 medium potatoes, stir in 1 cup cooked peas, and warm in a pan with 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Add finely chopped cilantro, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and salt to taste. Fry briefly to remove excess moisture. Cool the filling completely before using so the samosas seal well, and fry evenly to golden brown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.